How AI and machine learning enhance information security management. Artificial intelligence and machine learning transform information security management, allowing organizations to.
But before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. Sprintzeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
To improve data protection and handle cybersecurity threats more effectively. Integrating these technologies into information security management systems, ISMS, requires careful planning and an understanding of the associated challenges. ISO/IEC 42001 offers an international standard for ISMS, providing a framework to keep sensitive corporate information secure against threats like cyber attacks, data breaches, and unauthorized access.
The role of AI and machine learning in information security. Information security is being transformed by machine learning and artificial intelligence. These advanced technologies help companies better detect, manage, and prevent security issues. By swiftly analyzing large datasets, AI and ML uncover patterns and anomalies that might elude human analysts. Enhancing threat detection. AI and ML significantly boost the ability to detect information security threats. Unlike traditional systems that rely on fixed rules and signatures, which can be bypassed by clever attackers, AI and ML adapt by learning from historical data. They can identify new and unfamiliar threats, such as unusual behavioral patterns that might signal a security breach, thus providing a more flexible and robust defense. Improving incident response. In a security crisis, it's vital to act swiftly. AI and machine learning can greatly enhance response efforts by automating various tasks that typically humans perform. These systems can rapidly evaluate the extent and impact of a breach, identify affected assets, and recommend or even take steps to address the issue. Furthermore, machine learning models can rank incidents by severity, ensuring that the most critical issues are prioritized, which speeds up response times and minimizes damage. Automating compliance and auditing. Adhering to standards like ISO/IEC 42001 often requires time-consuming audits of security practices. AI and machine learning can assist in speeding up traditional operations by automating them. For instance, AI tools can continuously check compliance with security policies, generate audit reports, and pinpoint areas where standards are not met. This automation allows organizations to stay compliant while reallocating resources to focus on more strategic security efforts. Predictive analytics for proactive security. AI and machine learning offer a proactive approach to information security through predictive analytics technologies that can detect future security issues ahead of time by evaluating historical data and trends. For example, predictive models can identify signs of an imminent cyber attack, such as sudden spikes in network activity or increased phishing attempts, allowing organizations to strengthen their defenses in advance. Real-world applications. Numerous organizations have successfully integrated AI and machine learning into their security management systems. Financial sector. Banks use AI and machine learning to analyze transaction data for unusual patterns, allowing them to detect fraudulent activities in real time. Healthcare. AI helps healthcare providers protect patient information, using machine learning to monitor access to electronic health records, EHRs, and identify unauthorized attempts. Retail. Retailers employ AI-powered systems to safeguard customer data and prevent breaches. Predictive analytics help them anticipate potential security threats and take preventive actions. Aligning AI and ML with ISO/IEC 42001. To effectively incorporate AI and machine learning into your information security management system, ISMS, ensure alignment with ISO/IEC 42001 standards. Key areas to focus on include risk assessment. Evaluate the potential risks and rewards of using AI and machine learning technologies. Data privacy. Ensure that artificial intelligence and machine learning systems comply with data protection laws and handle sensitive data securely. Security controls. Implement measures to protect AI and machine learning systems from possible threats. Monitoring and evaluation. Regularly assess the performance of AI and machine learning systems and their effectiveness in achieving security goals. Human oversight. Maintain human oversight to ensure the ethical and responsible use of AI and ML technologies. Challenges and factors for implementing AI and machine learning in information security. AI and machine learning have advantages, but they also have drawbacks. Data quality. The performance of AI and machine learning models depends on the quality of the data analysis. Low-quality data can result in incorrect predictions and false warnings. Complexity. Implementing AI and ML requires specialized expertise and knowledge, which may necessitate additional training or hiring of skilled professionals. Privacy issues. The use of AI and ML involves handling large volumes of sensitive data, so organizations must adhere to privacy regulations and protect individuals' privacy rights. However, successful integration requires careful planning and addressing the associated challenges.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with Sprintzeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.